My video is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site babesroulette.com. This is a website that tries to encourage people into clicking on the allow button, supposedly as a part of some age confirmation process. The website may display some filthy images, some filthy content, so I have hidden this content from your eyes by minimizing this pop-up window. The problem is that the website also tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to make you confirm that you are at least 18 years old. But if the allow button is clicked, you may be brought to some other questionable sites, and also you may start receiving the great multitude of ads that will be displayed as random push notifications in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, you should carefully undertake certain measures. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this malicious site babesroulette.com, click on this button and remove this malicious website from the list. And this is the way to manually fix your browser and get rid of junk advertisements. To make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I do recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.